Ranbir was complete joy to work with on this film. रणबीर का अप्रोच ये है कि वो आपको पता ही नहीं चलने देता कि वो कुछ उसका कोई प्रोसेस है. उसके साथ पता ही नहीं लगता. ही सो हम्बल एंड ही स्टार्टेड लिविंग इन ऑफिस. आई वुड लैंड अप एंड आई डिडंट नो ही इज कमिंग. आई सेड व्हाई यू हियर. नो आई एम हियर. वो बैठ जाएगा असिस्टेंट के साथ, वो बैठ जाएगा ऐसे, और वो इतना ह्यूमिलिटी से ऐसे कुछ सवाल पूछेगा कि आपको लगेगा ही नहीं कि आपसे वो कुछ पूछ रहा है. बट ही इज एब्सॉर्बिंग, कॉन्स्टेंटली इज एब्सॉर्बिंग. One day I saw on his phone, he had put all images of Sanjay Dutt from 80s. This is the way he looked in 80s, this is the way he spoke in 80s, this is the way he looked in 90s. So if you see even in the film, so there was a method to his, that Sanjay Dutt developed the mannerisms he has of walking like that is only when he made his body in the 90s. In the 80s phase when he did Rocky and the other films, he didn't have that body and there was no mannerism in his style. When he got those muscles, that walk came. And that's the way he's played it. In fact, a lot of people told me, यार वो 80s में लग नहीं रहा है. I said, नहीं, if you watch his films 80s, Sanju was like this, he had no mannerisms. So there was an in-depth thing he had done. Then he'll depend on you. He says, अच्छा मैं कर रहा हूँ, आप कहीं ज़्यादा जा रहा हूँ तो मुझे बताओ, कम जा रहा हूँ तो मुझे बताओ.